Kidventurers.
Hello friends, today we're learning about the Chinese Zodiac. The Chinese Zodiac is a special way of naming each year after an animal. There are 12 different animals and each one has its own year. It is also part of the Lunar New Year, a big celebration when a new year begins. Do you know which animal is for your birth year? Let's meet them all and find out. Rat. The rat is quick and smart. It finds clever ways to solve problems. Ox. The ox is strong and hard-working. It never gives up. Tiger. The tiger is brave and full of energy. It loves competition. Rabbit. The rabbit is gentle and kind. It is also very careful. Dragon. The dragon is powerful and confident. It is full of energy. Snake. The snake is wise and smart. It thinks carefully before making a choice. Horse. The horse is fast and active. It is always full of energy. Goat. The goat is calm and gentle. It cares about others. Monkey. The monkey is playful and super smart. It loves to learn new things. Rooster. The rooster is hard-working and brave. It wakes up early and gets things done. Dog. The dog is friendly and honest. It is always loyal to friends. Pig. The pig is kind and generous. It loves to share with others. These 12 animals are part of a big holiday called Lunar New Year. Lunar New Year is a special time when people celebrate the new year with family, eat yummy food and watch fireworks. Now let's sing a fun song about the 12 zodiac animals.
Rat is quick and full of charm, thinks so fast and stays out of harm. Ox is strong and works all day, never gives up, it leads the way. Tiger's brave and full of cheer, loves to race and win each year. Rabbit's kind and hops with care, gentle, friendly, always fair. Dragon shines so bold and bright, full of energy, takes flight. Snake is wise, it stops to think, careful choices in a blink. Horse runs fast, so full of fun, always active, loves to run. Goat is calm, a caring friend, kind and gentle till the end. Monkey plays and loves to learn, super smart at every turn. Rooster wakes up with the sun, works so hard till day is done. Dog's a friend so strong and true, always honest, stays with you. Pig is kind and loves to share, giving joy and showing care. 12 great animals, here we cheer. Let's celebrate Lunar New Year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 Zodiac. Let's sing this mix. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which is yours? Let's tell.
Wow, that was so much fun! Each year has a special zodiac animal. 2025 is the year of the snake. Here's a list of zodiac animals from 2013 to 2030. What is your birth year and which zodiac animal is yours? You can pause the video to see the list better and let us know in the comments. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join us for more fun adventures. See you next time.